Hello people, and this hello is again from Shimla. We are in Shimla right now, as you saw in our last vlog. But we are going to Kufri today, and today's episode's name is Kufri में तफरी. What do you have to say? मामा हाय नहीं बोलेंगे आप लोगों को?
हाय,
क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
हम लोग सामान पैक कर रहे हैं, बहुत जल्दी में है.
अच्छा, yeah, we are actually late because we woke up late today. Right now it is around 11 o'clock. We have to finish today. तो मामा जल्दी पैकिंग कर रहे हैं?
हो चुकी है.
हो चुकी है. मामूनिया जी आप रेडी है?
रेडी है.
So we are getting ready to reach Kufri and do some tafri in Kufri. So I am ready. So let's go. By the way, आपको मैं व्यू दिखाता हूँ यहाँ से कैसा है. So this is the view. Awesome. So that is the Jeep. So the Jeep is getting warmed as it's cold out here in Shimla. It is looking fantastic. Look at those angel eyes. Super. So let's sit inside and let's go. So as we are in a hill station, there are lots of slopes. So let's do some skateboarding. So let's sit inside Bentley. We are on our way and the views are just fantastic. So this is the beautiful Shimla. We are going to Kufri, and Kufri is around 15 to 16 kilometers from where we are staying in Shimla, and it is a 49 minutes ride as it is shown in the Google Maps. So we are enjoying the views, and the best thing about Himalayas and the best thing about any hills for that matter is the views, the valleys, the atmosphere, the climate. So enjoying every bit of it. So we are just entering Kufri, and as we reach near Kufri, the tourist vehicles are increasing. That means that quite good number of tourists are already here. But right now it is not the season, so there will not be a lot of rush. So we are just about to enter Kufri, but we thought of stopping just before to take a time lapse of this beautiful place. So let's do it. So we have reached Kufri. As you can see, there is a lot of tourists. So we are in Kufri and we are going to the Apple Point where usually people go on those horses, but we are young यार, हम लोग को चढ़ना चाहिए. इतनी अच्छी वादियाँ हैं, इतनी प्यारी जगह है. So let's walk and we save money as well. So traveling in budget. Usually people go like that. पर घोड़ों को परेशान क्यों करें यार? we have reached the last point where the horses are parked. People said that you will not be able to climb. It's 2 hours, but we covered it in approx 40 minutes. So if you come to Kufri, you can walk at the Apple Point and you will have a lot of fun rather than coming on a horse. तो यहाँ पे एक टेंपल है और एक छोटा सा मार्केट है जहाँ पे आप अगर चल के आए और आप थके हैं तो यू कैन हैव मैगी, कॉफ़ी, चाय etc. You can shop as well. And that side is a temple that we'll go after eating something. So we are having tea and after tea we'll go ahead. But tea time is music time.
मस्ती इसी में है।
Girlfriend. Na 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 na.
चाय सेशन हैज एंडेड और अब जाते हैं हम आगे, देखते हैं कौन सा मंदिर है यहाँ पे, वहाँ से क्या व्यू दिखता है. So let's go then. Basically this spot has 3 places. The first is that there you can see by a telescope, and then there is a temple, and where we are going is I don't know what, but they told me somewhere down there is something. I am going because the views are fantastic from here. So this road is going somewhere in the forest, I don't know where, but I think that it's better to explore things rather than to go at places where everybody else is going. So let's explore the jungles of Kufri. We have reached a secluded place जिसका हमेशा से मुझे तलाश रहता है, जहाँ हम लोग अकेले बैठ सकें ताकि ऐसा लगे कि पूरा हिमाचल हम लोग का ही है. So there is nobody around, as you can see. This is some place in the jungle. और हम लोग यहाँ पे पार्टी करेंगे अभी. We'll get high on nature. Yes? Woo! क्या बोलते हो मामा? आपकी कशिश क्या कहे तुमसे So it's been an hour since we are sitting over here, and right now it's about 5 o'clock and it's about to get dark. As you can listen, nobody is over here. So we shall move now to our jeep and then go back to Shimla. Our trek has finished and we have reached the roads. Now we shall go and eat something. So on the way back, we are at Lakkad Bazaar to eat something, and after eating we'll go to our guest house.